Have you ever taken a photo that just felt, well, a bit flat? We've all been there. And there's a quick way to fix it. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. Perspective is not just about where you stand. It's about how the viewer feels when they look at your photo. The moment you change your camera height or position, you change the entire psychology of the image. You change how big or small a subject feels, how important or insignificant it appears, how close or removed the viewer feels, and how much emotion the image carries. And this is why perspective is so powerful. It operates quietly, but it shapes everything. Here's a really simple way to think about it. Perspective is the difference between describing a scene and inviting somebody into it. Because we're all conditioned by real life. When you look up at something, it feels dominant, important, impressive. When you look down, it feels smaller, quieter, more observed. Snapshots ignore that. Intentional photography uses it. So here's your one simple idea. Before you take the shot, ask yourself, should I be higher or lower? And that one decision can completely transform your photo. And if you want to go deeper into this, check out episode 7 of the Ultimate Checklist series here, where I break this down in more detail. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.